Hey guys, welcome to my channel called Nanotech. This is the HP laptop 15 model BS015NX model. It's 15 model series. So you can see here is the broken. The display is turned. You can see it's totally broken. So now I will show you how to fix this problem with M-Seal glue. This is the M-Seal glue. I will fix this problem to using the M-Seal glue. First you can see I open this side and check it here. It's good fittings or not. Okay, see like this. So I think it will be fixed, look like before, and I have to take 2 item M-Seal glue. see. It's done. And you can see working very nice, and you can move it. You see. So guys, if your laptop display stand is broken, any laptop, you can fix it with this M-seal glue or any other close to type. Mix it like this and fix it like this. To clean something here, you can see some glue here. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video. Thank you.